Apparently that's a little tagline for today. My body makes funny noises because you...
I have a pinhead.
I have a penis. Baby penis.
Baby penis.
Baby penis. It's from a Shane Dawson video. I love Shane Dawson. He makes me so happy. I have to soak my toe.
Oh,
it's infected, and no, I'm not showing you guys.
I want to show you the lesbian handshake. So you do like the Spock thing, but you close your thumb. Lesbian handshake. Close your thumb. Lesbian handshake right there, man. Hands all wet.
I don't know what a lesbian handshake means, huh?
It's just a lesbian handshake.
That doesn't make sense.
I don't get it either, but my friend Clint showed it to me.
Oh, man.
My friend Clint is one letter away from being a Clint.
We have nothing better to do except for make
YouTube videos.
And look like this. I promise we normally don't look this hot every day.
No,
so
we're never this sexy as we are right now.
Guys are really in for a treat. I mean, like, do you see us? I mean, we are downright freaking sexy beasts. Like, I mean, if I was another person, I saw something like, I'm gonna tap that.
If I could see myself as another person right now, be like, I'd bang that.
Oh yeah. And so.
Oh yeah. Totally. Oh my god.
So. Yeah, we're sexy beasts like this. Yeah.
I have been diagnosed with joy. So while we're being funny, leave us comments below on the weird shit you want us to do.
Yeah.
Although there is a limit on what we'll do. Just saying. I mean, my face.
My nose. That is damn hot. So yeah, just leave us
some comments.
Yeah, leave us some comments. Tell us, what you want to see. And this is what we actually look like.
No, we don't. We're on. But look at this shit. We are on fire. Ooh. The evil depths of hell. Oh my god! I think I just exploded like 4 times.
I think I just shit my pants. So yeah, leave us comments or like video responses. I don't care.
Yeah, leave us plenty of video responses.
Yeah.
Give us ideas for stuff you want us to do.
Yeah.
Look at this, man.
And
pictures.
And we'll start asking questions.
Yeah.
And if you have cool, funny answers, we'll mention them in a video, and we'll talk about you.
Yeah. If you have any questions for us, ask any questions you need, and we'll answer them.
Yeah, love questions.
Yeah,
sex
and
questions. I really want your sex questions.
Yeah.
Tell us about new music. I mean, just
anything you want to tell us about. Like,
yeah.
if you see the new video thing and that you think is cool, go ahead and tell us about it.
Yeah, well.
This is Lindsay. I'm Nessie. And if you have certain questions for either one of us, go ahead and ask.
Yeah, the magic doodles are here for you.
Yeah, we're here.
We wanna love you.
And if you need advice on anything, if you're having troubles, go ahead and ask us, because neither one of us are normal.
Yeah,
we've probably been there, and so leave us comments.
Yeah.